you? Welcome back to my humble abode and the second video of 2020. Welcome all. I hope you're excited for today because I did a poll on Instagram to find out the look that you, or the palette that you guys would love to see. And today, dun, 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 we are doing the Thirsty palette. This was from my mystery box in a few weeks back. I'll link the video below if you haven't seen it. Check it out. It's really fun and it's really cute and I was really excited. But this was in it, and your request is accepted. I don't know what word I was trying to think of, but you know. So I have started my eyebrows and eyes are ready to go, so we can make this quick and fast. And let's get started, my friends. Alright, so let's get to it. Today I will let you know the colors that I'm going to use, and I think this was going to be a fun look. Something definitely out of the box of my normal. So I did use Parched just to set my eyes after I cut them brows. Ooh, they're getting better. slowly. And today I think I'm going to use, can you guess? We're going to use Submerge, and we're going to use Quench, and maybe some other ones. I'm not sure yet, but we'll go with the flow. So today I'm also using a few new different products that I got over Christmas and I'm really excited to use. I'm using the e.l.f. Camo concealer, which I didn't know was in Canada, but you can find it at Walmart, so I was really excited. And we'll see if this is the correct color. It looks a bit light, and I know you put it on light underneath, so we'll check it out. And yeah, I'll tell you some other things as I go. Of course, I use my Precisely My Brow on my brows. Yeah, and I will use the Gimme Brow tinted gel afterwards. I don't know why, but I always wait until after my eyeshadow is set, just in case. Don't know. Am I the only one that does that? Maybe. Okay, so we're going to go in. I should have been more prepared. You know, it is what it is. And where is my... Oh no. There it is. Don't know why it was in there, but I've got my Quo crease brush, and I think that we're going to go in with Submerge, and that is the blue color. So tell me, guys, how has your 2020 been going? Have you started your goals? Are you following through with them? Has this year started better than last year? Tell me, inform me. I will let you know that the start of this year, weirdly enough, kind of seems a little similar to last year, but I will say, maybe same situations, but I will say it is definitely a much better feeling, and it seems to be going relatively, no, it is going a lot better than last year. And for some reason I started this year off with a lot of weight lifted off my shoulder, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's I'm much happier, living the dreams, I guess. And I feel like this year there's a lot of good things coming. Yeah, so that's kind of the update-ish of my start to the year. So I have just put this all over the crease, a little bit on the lid, and I'll show you as to what I'm thinking after. And then I kind of given it a little bit of a, I kind of resemble this as like a windshield wiper look because it's like very precise, and I don't know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, it's a little less like blown out. It's a little bit more crisp. I think that's what I was trying to say. So I'm gonna just go in with the other eye. Et voila! So this is the blue. Now I'm gonna try something a little bit different. Well, not really different, but I'm just gonna try something, and we'll see how it works out because we're in this together. So I'm gonna do, hope to God this works out, a cut crease. Yep. And wish me luck. So that's one side done. We're gonna take one side at a time, my friends. Yep. And okay, so we're gonna go in with Quench. Very summery look, and I don't care because it is winter and it's cold as heck outside, and I'm trying to bring the sunlight in. So what better way to do it than putting a little yellow on my eyes? So we're gonna go in with Quench. Ooh, okay guys, so by the way, this palette is pretty awesome so far. I'm loving the blendability on these. By the way, this is the Smith 256 brush. I love Smith brushes. They are pretty bomb, and they go in my special brush jar. And then I have always really liked Jeffree Star's palettes because his eyeshadows literally are the shit and the creamiest, and they blend so well that like you can do no wrong. Let's be honest. I guess. So I was really excited to get this palette because I have the Blue Blood palette, and it's like all blues and grays and like a little bit of tans. So this one was a little bit different, and I believe he doesn't put any of the two same colors in palettes, so that's cool. Even if it's like the same like tone, it's still different, and I really like that because I know some palettes they end up using similar if not the same colors, and that's okay, but it's also not cool either, just because why would I buy a palette with the same colors as another palette? But yeah, so I'm just gonna blend these a little bit better together so there's no crazy harsh lines. And then if you see any like concealer where you don't want to see it, or you went over a little bit too much on the yellow, then I'm going to take my blue black again and just kind of bring it back. I am notorious for not putting a liner before I put on lashes, and surprise surprise, I'm not going to again. So I am going to do the other eye and be right back. Alright guys, my lashes on and the other eye is done. Alright, so we are now going to go in with a new foundation that I've been playing around with and I actually really like it. It is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Complexion Powder, and this is your full coverage queen, quick and easy because you can just brush it on and go. Like, it's that good. So this has been kind of my go-to lately, because sometimes I'm not in the mood to put on a full beat, and this, my friends, kind of gives you a look of a full beat and saves you high. Nothing better than that. So let's go in with this bad boy and we will put on some foundation. And by the way, this stuff is really soft, so, and the little pad that comes with it is like even softer, so it feels really nice on the face. A little bit more foundation. Okay, and we're gonna go in with, we're gonna hope to God this is not too bright. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. concealer. Oh God, desperate. Nope. Okay. We'll have to figure it out as we go. Not loving how this is blending out at the moment. I have a feeling this is the type that you need to blend out quickly. And I mean, it doesn't help that I'm again putting this over the powder and that it's a little bit too light. Oh, Lordy, that's light. Yep. That might be a little too light for LBs. I tried to fix it as best as I could. That's that. And this is the finish look for the skin too. Pretty awesome stuff. Especially if you want a fast option. That powder stuff is what's that? Okay, so what I was saying before, I am going to dip in with 2 more colors and we're gonna try it out. I think this will be good. So I'm gonna use a glass splash and then Divine. I think this will be good. So we're gonna use splash and we're going to use it underneath. Go in with Divine. And I'm gonna open the eyes a little bit more and we're gonna put some sparkle in the crease and like the inner corner, sorry, not the crease. And yes, queen. Okay, so shall I do it? I think I shall. And I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner. And we're gonna do the waterline. Let's get some blush and some contour on, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, the contour is done with my trusty It Cosmetics. And I actually went in with Taste Buds on the palette for my blush. And I actually really like it. It might have gone a little too heavy on it, but I'm okay with it. So this is so far the finished look. So we have a few more steps and then we are all done. We are going to go in with some lipstick. And I think what I'm going to do, oh, I'm sorry, I'm admiring myself. I got Soft Serve. Alright guys, I'll be right back to show you the finished look. This is the finished look. Also, I different thing. I use what I use in the corner of my eyes, Divine, on my lips. I'm not mad at it. Really liked how it turned out. I was a little nervous. Wasn't sure how it was gonna look, but it turned out really pretty, and I love everything I tried. This I do love. She is full coverage. Might need a few more layers than like you think, but it's a really fast, easy way to put on foundation if you're really not in the mood for like a full beat of like crazy makeup like this. The Thirsty palette, I'm in love with. I literally used how many colors, and it's fabulous. And liquid lips, golden. This stuff is so creamy. Took a little bit of a few more coats than I thought, but I think it's because of the color that it is. It comes out a little bit starky, but other than that, it's really good. I really like it. I really like the color too. The Camo I liked. It might just be because she's a tad too light, but it did mix, so it's okay. I'll still play with it. I think it might be better with a sponge than a brush. It was really tough to blend out with a brush, unless it's just me. I don't know. But I'll play with this one. I'm not giving up just yet. And there you are. Oh my god, guys. No, it's not the finished look because she forgot highlight. Highlight is like literally everything. How? How do you forget something like that? Yeah, we're gonna fix that right now. I'm not done. Lauren. Also forgot the Roller Lash line. Like, apparently the eye liquid or the liner under my eye was so good I didn't think I needed it, but I do. Also, this is the Believe Beauty long lasting eyeliner, and it is the bomb.com. When I go back to the States, because it's only in the States, in Dollar General, I'll be buying like 5 more of these to stock up. So we are going to use the Mother of Dragons BUD Urban Decay highlight palette from Game of Thrones. Okay. Now, here is the finished look. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did that. But there she is, my friend. Love you guys so much, and we shall see you next week. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, ring that bell down there so you get notified when all my videos go up. And I thank you so much, and bye.